platoon waypoint is
actual
set near their bastion. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's take off. Yes, it's on the bottom side back.
Look in our comm.
We gotta get it from the bottom.
Alright guys, let's go, let's go, go. It's bottom front, bottom front, bottom front.
I did my duty.
Great fucking work, guys. Great fucking work.
We can take the crown if we get more forces here.
You can die? Oh yeah.
Everyone in Yelp chat, AO denied.
AO denied.
Alright guys, so let's go ahead and let's head on over to Howling Pass, guys. Everyone to Howling Pass. Howling Pass, Howling Pass.
We got somewhere to fucking spawn this time.